Last time I looked at this hive, there was a bee avalanche. It was a total explosion, and I really didn't know why, but I do want to say thank you for all your comments. That has really kind of helped me to think about the possible reasons. One, maybe I don't have a queen. I'm starting to worry that that is probably the most likely reason, though the week before I did have a queen, so I think I had maybe a false sense of security that there was probably a queen in here. And number two theory is that maybe I was squishing too many bees or any bees, which that I think that could be the case, though I was really trying not to squish bees. I think I'm crushing them when I set these corners down, though I'm totally trying not to do that. This time I have a new goal: squish 0 bees. For me, that's kind of a stretch goal, but that's a goal. It's heavy. And then the third thing, which I had not considered before, but it actually makes the most sense, is that starting by putting smoke at the top is forcing everybody down, and then when I get there, they're just coming back out because, I don't know, no queen, squished bees, could be anything. So today I just want to check it out, hopefully find a queen, or at least anything better than a complete explosion. Alright, my goal here is to not squish any bees while searching for a queen. Okay, I really want to set this corner down, but I'm really going to try not to. I guess I can just do this. Ugh. Okay, they seem calm, so that's good. Hopefully I'm not speaking too soon. There's also a bee around my head, but I'm going to try to ignore it and believe that I have zipped up this suit good enough. Okay, did I look at this one already? Did I or didn't I? I think I probably did. I can't remember. I'm gonna do it again. If I did, I'm doing it twice. Oh. Is this brood? Is this capped brood? I think this is capped brood, which is better news than what I saw last week. Okay, I am considering this a good sign so far. And I am not one to have lots of luck finding the queen in this hive. So if you see the queen, or if you can confirm or deny evidence of the queen, please let me know. Okay, I think that is honey on the bottom corner. See a little pollen on one bee's feet, but that's probably not a lot. Okay, I hear the boiling start, but I think I have brood, so I'm gonna call it good. I don't know, can you hear how loud they're getting? Ooh, they're gonna boil. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna call this one a day, I think. Okay, I am calling that success. The reason is, one, we stopped the boiling, no boiling this time. Number two, I think I saw capped brood, so I'm gonna assume there's a queen even though I can never find the darn queen. Let me know if you see something I didn't see, and I don't think I squished any bees. I'm gonna look back and see for sure, but I really tried to hold all those frames up and hopefully I did. If you have an opinion or suggestion, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.